Hello student, now in this video we will discuss about the next question. Why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? The answer is distilled water is a pure form of water which contain no ionic species. Therefore, it does not conduct electricity. Rainwater is an impure form of water, contains many ionic species, acids, and thus it conducts electricity. Question 8 is why do acid not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? The answer is acids can only dissociate in aqueous solution to form hydrogen ions, which are responsible for the acidic behavior. Acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water because the dissociation of hydrogen ions from an acid occur in the presence of water only. 5 solutions A, B, C, D and E when tested with universal indicators showed pH as 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9 respectively. Which solution is neutral? The answer is first, which solution is neutral? Solution D, because with pH value of 7 the neutral is solution D. Strongly alkaline, the answer is solution C, with pH 11. Strongly acidic, the solution is B, the pH is 1. Weakly acidic, the solution is A, pH value 4. And weakly alkaline, solution E, pH 9. Arrange the pH in increasing order to hydrogen ion concentration. The pH can be arranged in the increasing order of the concentration of hydrogen ions as 11, 9, 7, 4, 1. Question 10. Equal length of magnesium ribbon are taken in test tubes A and B. Hydrochloric acid is added to test tube. A while acetic acid CH3COOH is added to test tube B. Amount the concentration taken for both the acids are same. In which test tube the fizzing occur more vigorously and why? The answer is the fizzing occur strongly in test tube A, in which hydrochloric acid is added. This is because HCl is a stronger acid than CH3COOH, which means acidic acid, and generate more H plus ions. Therefore, HCl produced hydrogen gas at a faster rate, due to which fizzing occurs. Question 11. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? Explain your answer. The answer is the pH of fresh milk is 6. As it change into curd, the pH will decrease because curd contains lactic acid and which reduces the pH.